Alright, before we continue with the video, a couple of quick things. First of all, for some reason, the mic was like totally jacked up. I think it may have been because we hiked in there in the rain. So whatever audio I tried to pick up was either garbled or jacked up, or it just did not work. So I had to turn this video you're about to see into a completely just visual video with a soundtrack behind it. That's the first thing. Second thing, in the beginning of the video, you may see some black lines. That is something I have no idea why that happened. I think I may have set up my camera incorrectly to film at night. So that's what you're gonna notice as well. Just want to give you a quick background on this trip, by the way. So we decided to go hike the Gifford Pinchot National Forest, and in there's a place called the Packwood Lake Trail. We took this trail, which is about a 4.5 mile hike. It's rated as an easy to moderate hike. So it took us a little less than 2 hours to get to our campsite. So what you're gonna see in this video is I'm gonna show you the hike, the first night's campsite we went to, and then the second night's campsite we went to, because we decided to switch campsites, and you may see why. And I'm also going to just put like random captions here throughout the video. As for the trail, it is near lake, bodies of water, so which means in the summertime there's going to be a whole lot of mosquitoes, and this time we did encounter quite a few. I got a whole bunch of bites on my arms, my legs, my back, and so did a lot of other people who were there. So definitely get your insect repellent with you. I definitely recommend it. So yeah, I guess that's about it. So you're gonna see this video of our backpacking trip. It's a 2-nighter to Packwood Lake, Washington. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions about this trail or gear that we were carrying or anything else, please feel free to leave it in the box below. If you liked the video, please feel free to like it, subscribe, share it even. Oh yeah, and I also did just hit 5,000 subscribers, and I'm pretty stoked about that. And I am thinking about doing a special video based on that, so stay tuned for that as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching as always. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.